Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Final Cut Pro and immediately make a library and event so your media stays tidy. Import your clips now, drag them into the event, or use File Import to ensure everything is linked. Once done, create the project with the correct frame rate and resolution because matching these prevents later re-renders. Make sure to quickly skim and tag clips with keywords, ratings, or ranges. This speeds locating the best takes when you build the first rough assembly. You now assemble a rough cut using the magnetic timeline. Drop your selects, trim with JKL for speed, and use the blade tool when you need precise cuts. Once the structure is clear, create compound clips for multi-shot sequences and use connected clips for effects or B-roll so timing stays linked. Apply primary corrections early. Color balance, stabilization, and audio leveling so your decisions are based on accurate visuals and sound. Then return to fine trims and pacing adjustments to sharpen the flow. You finish by adding transitions, titles, and a final color grade. Use LUTs sparingly and perform audio ducking so dialogue sits clearly over music. Next, choose Share and the correct export preset, H, 264 for web, ProRes for archive, and confirm frame rate, color space, and bitrate match delivery specs. If Final Cut gets sluggish or crashes, purge render files and library cache first. If problems persist, create a fresh library.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.